Hey guys, Justin here of YugaTech. And when it comes to outdoor and rugged speakers, the term audio quality isn't the most synonymous term you would hear out there. The most important part of these portable speakers would be their toughness to survive the outdoors. But what if we told you that there was one out there that can also bring great quality sound as well as ruggedness? Of course, I'm talking about this Bose SoundLink Flex. The Bose SoundLink Flex is the company's answer to the portable Bluetooth speaker game. For lack of a better term, it definitely is a flex by the company. It has a very robust exterior that can survive a multitude of weather conditions, plus you get that signature sound that Bose is known for. Alright, let's check it out! Starting with design, the SoundLink Flex definitely looks like a Bose product. There's nothing wild and outdoorsy looking here, just pure class that won't look out of place in an office either. As you can see, it has a big steel grille that covers the entire front panel of the device. Then around the device is a very sturdy material that will definitely survive a lot of drops, albeit with some scratches of course. I would say the shape is perfect for bringing the device for travel. The pill shape of the SoundLink Flex can easily slip into any travel bag or luggage, while you can also attach it to a carabiner and it won't get in the way while hiking. Thankfully, this speaker is also IP67 dust and waterproof, so you can dunk it in water and it'll keep on playing. It even floats, by the way, so less worries there. Additionally, the white smoke color of our unit here doesn't pick up a lot of smudges easily. However, sand or dust can get in the grill of the device, so make sure you don't completely drop it on sand because removing them would be difficult. Now, the controls of the device are on top of the speaker with your basic buttons of volume up, volume down, Bluetooth, and the power button. Meanwhile, the USB Type-C charging port is on the side of the device, and it is important to note that the SoundLink Flex doesn't feature an aux input. Quality-wise, it sounds very good for an outdoor speaker. It has a solid bass driver inside that reproduces the lows very well. Basically, it has that signature Bose sound that delivers all frequencies well. And what does that mean? Well, instruments sound clear and crisp while not drowning out the vocals. So taking it outdoors like the beach highlights just how great it sounds. I mean, even in an area where there is a lot of noise, the SoundLink Flex will stand out. I'm not saying that this will replace a dedicated pair of high-end cans, but given that these are outdoor speakers, it sure sounds better than the competition. All ranges are represented well. The mids are clear while the highs are never too shrill. I talked about the bass earlier, and that is a standout with this device. A device this small shouldn't have a bass driver this good. And if you're wondering how loud it goes, it fills a big room pretty easily. I rarely needed to go full volume to play my music. So a signature feature of this Bose SoundLink Flex is Position IQ, which shifts the sound depending on how the SoundLink Flex is positioned. This means if you're walking around with the device, the SoundLink Flex knows where to shift the sound and throw it there accordingly. You can connect to the speaker and access more options via the Bose Connect app. You can also use this to switch between different devices over Bluetooth multipoint. The device though only uses Bluetooth 4.2 and has a maximum range of 9 meters. It only supports the standard SBC codec, no AAC or aptX here. As for the battery, the Bose SoundLink Flex lasts up to 12 hours depending on how loud you listen to your music. Moreover, this device has a party mode which allows you to connect 2 compatible speakers to play the same content for a fuller sound. All in all, this Bose SoundLink Flex does a lot of right things for an outdoor Bluetooth speaker. As a consumer, there's not a lot you would still look for. It's built well, it looks good, and most importantly, it sounds great. As a travel speaker, it really is amazing to use. You can attach it to a carabiner on your backpack so you can just walk around with the device when you go outdoors. And with the different features like Position IQ, you're never too far from your music. And I must say the design doesn't look obnoxious and will fit well with any kind of aesthetic you are looking for. The Bose SoundLink Flex is so easy to use and sounds so much better than the competition that it should be on everyone's list when buying a portable Bluetooth speaker, especially one for your next outdoor trip. And yeah, that wraps up this video, guys. Do share your thoughts about this Bose SoundLink Flex in the comments below. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay safe.